The Igbo calendar, Igbo, or Afo, is the traditional calendar system of the Igbos. The calendar has 13 months in a year, Afo, 7 weeks in a month, Onwa, and 4 days of Igbo market days, Afo, Uko, Eke, and Ori, in a week, Ezo. Plus, an extra day at the end of the year, in the last month. Though worship and spirit honoring was a very big part in the creation and development of the Igbo calendar system, commerce also played a major role in creating the Igbo calendar. This was emphasized in Igbo mythology itself. An example of this is the Igbo market days, of which each community has a day assigned to open its markets. Some Igbo communities have tried to adjust the 13-month calendar to 12 months, in line with the Gregorian calendar. The calendar is neither universal nor synchronized, so various groups will be at different stages of the week, or even year. Nonetheless, the 4-8-day cycle serves to synchronize the inter-village market days, and substantial parts, for example, the Kingdom of Uri, do share the same year start. Market days. Igbos generally have 4 market days, namely Eke, Ori, Afo and Uko. In various parts of Igboland, each community has a market named after the aforementioned 4 market days, example, Uko Achara, in Uturu. In the traditional Igbo calendar, a week, Igbo Ezo, has 4 days. Eke, Ori, Afo, Uko, 7 weeks make 1 month, a month has 28 days and there are 13 months a year. In the last month, an extra day is added. The traditional timekeepers in Igboland are the priests or dibia. Months in Igbo and its Gregorian calendar equivalent. 1. Onwa Ubu, February March. 2. Onwa Abo, March April. 3. Onwa Ife Eke, April May. 4. Onwa Ano, May June. 5. Onwa Agwo, June July. Before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. 6. Onwa Ahiajioku, July August. 7. Onwa Alomchi, August to early September. 8. Onwa Ilomo, late September. 9. Onwa Ala, October. 10. Onwa Okike, early November. 11. Onwa Ajala, late November. 12. Onwa Ede Ajala, late November to December. 13. Onwa Uzo Arusi, January to early February. The Igbo calendar is not universal, and is described as not something written down and followed, rather it is observed in the mind of the people. Newborn babies are sometimes named after the day they were born on, though this is no longer commonly used. Names such as Ubeke, Okorie, Uwanko, Uweke and Uwafo. Igbo months and meaning. The following months are in reference to the Uri Igbo calendar of the Uri Kingdom, which may differ from other Igbo calendars in terms of naming, rituals, and ceremonies surrounding the months. Onwa Ubu. The first month starts from the 3rd week of February, making it the Igbo New Year. The Uri Igbo calendar year corresponding to the Gregorian year of 2012 was initially slated to begin with the annual year counting festival known as Igbo Aro, on February 18th, and Uko Day on the 3rd week of February. The Igbo Aro festival, which was held in March, marked the lunar year as the 1013th recorded year of the Uri calendar. Onwa Abuo. This month is dedicated to cleaning and farming. Onwa Ife Eke is described as the fasting period, usually known as Ugani in Igbo, meaning hunger period. It is the period in which all must fast in sacrificial harmony to the goddess Allah of the earth. Many communities host competitive wrestling events in this month, as it is dedicated to finding one's ikenga through conquering personal and communal struggle. Onwa Ano. Onwa Ano is when the planting of seed yams starts. In many communities, this is the month of the Ekeleke dance festival, which emphasizes optimism, sustaining your belief in God through hardships and the coming of better days. Onwa Agwo. Igoche na Uman will come out in this month, which are adult masquerades. Onwa Agwo is the traditional start of the year. The Arose Agwo, after which the month is named, is venerated by the Dibia, priests, by whom Agwo is specifically worshipped, in this month. Onwa Ahiajioko. This month is dedicated to the Yam deity, Ahiajioko and Ijokuji, and Yam rituals are performed in this month for the New Yam festival. Onwa Alomchi. This month sees the harvesting of the yam. This month is also a time of prayer and meditation for women. The Alomchi is a shrine or memorial a woman builds in honor of her ancestors. This month is dedicated to reconnecting with the ancestors by breaking kola and holding communion with them. Onwa Alomchi is also dedicated to venerating mothers and motherhood, honoring womanhood, remembering one's first mother, the woman which all of humanity and creation comes from, as well as connecting one's children, including those that are yet to be born. Onwa Ilomuo, a festival called Onwa Asato, Igbo 8th month, is held in this month. Onwa Allah, Allah or Anna or Ani, is the Igbo earth goddess and rituals for this deity commence in this month, hence it is named after her. Onwa Okike. Okike ritual takes place in this month. Onwa Ajala. Okike ritual also takes place in Onwa Ajala. Onwa Ede Ajala. Ritual ends. Onwa Uzo Aruse. The last month sees the offering to the Aruse. Festivals. Two major festivals are the New Year Festival, Igbo Afo, due around the 18th of February, the planting season when the king, the Eze Uri, in the Uri area, tells the Igbo to go and sow their seed after the next rainfall, and the Harvest Festival, Emime Onwa Asato, in the 8th month. The Uri Igbo yearly counting festival known as Igbo Aro marked the 10th of March 2012 as the beginning of the 1013th year of the Uri calendar.